Hey guys, today I'm gonna tell you how to fix apps not opening issue in Windows 11. If you're using Windows 11, if you're seeing the issue that any of your app is not opening, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So you have a simple way, you just have to simply open your settings app here. Now once you are in settings, just wait for a few seconds and go to apps, go to install the apps, and just locate the app which is not opening or which is not working on your PC. So let's say I'm gonna select my camera app here. Just click on these three dots, click on advanced options, and here just scroll down and you might see there's terminate option here. Just click on terminate. It will completely terminate its process. Like if your camera app is in use, it will completely block that, completely close that. It will completely close it from background. And once you have done, now you can retry to check if it's working for you or not, because it might be that there's an glitch. Your app is running in the background, so you're unable to use it on your foreground or on your main screen. So you can terminate it and then retry. If it's still not working for you, so you can try to repair it. Just click on repair. It will take a few moments to repair your app. So if there will be any junk or any damaged file or any broken file in your app or any broken feature, so it might be fixed in this app, so you will not get the issue again. But if you're still getting the same issue, so you can try to reset your app. Just click on reset. It will completely reset your apps, all the permissions, so your issue will be fixed. If you're still getting the same issues, there's the only way. Click on uninstall and click on this uninstall button to completely uninstall that app from your PC. And after uninstallation, you have to reinstall the app from your Microsoft Store. And this time, you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.